Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Candice and this is Everything Beauty with Candice B. I'm not going to spend too much time on this intro, but in this video, I'm going to show you all of my different hairstyles that I do when I have box braids in. And before we jump into it, if you haven't already subscribed, what y'all doing? Subscribe to my channel. We talk about everything beauty on here. Hair, skin, makeup, nails. If that's something that y'all like, please consider subscribing. Also give me a huge thumbs up on this video and also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's get into it.
Everything I've been feeling about us lately, but I feel like the moment I say something, he'll act like it's too complicated and then just leave. I don't wanna cry in front of you, 'cause I know you won't do the same. And I'm so tired of trying to get through. Why you acting like it's a game? It's not funny when you try to change the subject. Oh, it's not funny. I feel like I'm emotionally alone. It's not funny, but you act like it's a joke. Oh. And we both know you don't talk about your emotions. You just go and ride the wave. But I'm drowning here in this ocean, while you always seem okay. Hey, I'm too scared to tell you how empty I've been. 'Cause as soon as you call me beautiful, I just fall right back in. It's not funny when you never find time to reply. It's not funny. I feel like I'm the last thing on your mind. It's not funny, but you seem to think it's fine. But I'm tired, I'm so tired. You don't talk about your emotions. You just go and ride the wave. But I'm drowning here in this ocean, while you always seem okay. No, didn't wanna admit what I already knew. Wanted to stay naive. Wanted to stay with you. And falling in love can hurt so bad, but it hurts way more when they don't fall back. Oh, didn't wanna admit what I already knew. Wanted to stay naive. Wanted to stay with you. And falling in love can hurt so bad, but it hurts way more when they don't fall back.
Yeah. Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need a plan B, but to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy every time you speak. Made me wanna sing. Yeah, made me wanna sing. So Passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid. That's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad. So won't you come and talk to me? Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Yeah, music for my soul, classic R&B.
I see, baby, cool with it. Drowning in your love, like a pool with it. Way below the surface, babe. In the things, yeah, you see the inner man. Never sway, no. Baby, come and talk to me, walk with me, show them how it ought to be. Hey, yeah, bring your love back like we ordered. Yeah, never seen a real, we gon' show
Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me.
Let me know what's on your mind. Let me hold you down, I promise. There's a future if you grind with me. Crazy and love like J&B. It feels good when you say my name. Make me wanna rock the boat. I ain't tryna float, I'm tryna drown, wanna go deep. Never been a scrub or a creep. Ain't no ordinary love. I peep, I keep it on the low. Cause no one really gotta know what we got going on. I'm selfish, I want you all the time. All to myself, no mic jet, but you know the girl is mine.
Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me.
I just wanna know that you are true. And baby, I trust you. I'm just so scared of all the things that you could do to break my heart. Cause I gotta say for someone good. And you're telling me I shouldn't worry, cause that someone is you. And all of the promises you made, boy, I know you'll keep. Cause no matter what we go through, you tell me that your love runs deep. Yeah, yeah. All of the other girls look at us when you hold me close, but you always say that I'm the one you want the most. So baby, pull me closer, put your arm around my shoulder, so they know not to waste their time. Cause I've seen love fade and I've seen tears fall, I just don't want them to be mine. So don't break my heart, cause I gotta say for someone good. And you're telling me I shouldn't worry, cause that someone is you. And all of the promises you made, boy, I know you'll keep. Cause no matter what we go through, you tell I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone. Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into you. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, down. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone.
Cold-blooded, flooding my whole heart with your loving. Find me in the thick of it, swimming towards something that I wanted for so long. Never even I needed you this much, but some part of me thinks you've given up on us. Let's call a spade, baby. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but that's...
Alright y'all, that is some of the styles that I do when I have box braids in. Did I inspire you guys or show you something new? If I did, let me know down in the comments below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. This is the kind of content I'm bringing you every single week. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!